Make money using ChatGPT, step by step. Want to make money using ChatGPT? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to earn online using just your phone or laptop. Let's get started. Subscribe to Wealthy Up for more money hacks. Step 1. Understand what ChatGPT can do. ChatGPT is like your personal assistant. It can write articles, social media posts, emails, YouTube scripts, and even business plans. You don't need any experience. Instagram captions, blog intros, product descriptions, business name ideas. Step 2. Offer services on freelance platforms. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Create a gig like, I will write SEO blog posts using ChatGPT. I will create social media content with AI. Let ChatGPT do the hard work. You just copy, paste, and deliver. Step 3. Start an AI blog or YouTube channel. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts or YouTube scripts. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or digital products. All content can be written by ChatGPT. Niche blog. Healthy living tips. YouTube channel. Tech explainers with AI. Step 4. Sell ebooks or courses. Ask ChatGPT to write a short ebook or digital course. Example. Write a 10-page ebook on how to start a side hustle in 2025. Then sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or your website. Step 5. Create and sell prompt packs. People are buying AI prompts. Create bundles like 50 ChatGPT prompts for social media managers, AI prompts for copywriters. Sell them on promptbase.com or your own store.